Heyo, boss, and welcome back. Today, Chef has a great recipe for us. The classic banana split. Well, kinda. We know you may have come here thinking you might get one of these, but what we're going to show you is going to be a little healthier and simple, delicious, something that we think you're going to enjoy. With Thanksgiving in the States coming up next week and everyone definitely getting ready for that ultimate day of eating, we thought a video on a nice, healthy, simple dish beforehand would be great. So let's go ahead and get cooking. So the first thing is Chef has 2 bananas that he's going to split down the middle. Now normally a banana split you cut kind of lengthwise, but we're going to do things differently. And also go ahead and get any kind of fruits, fresh fruits ready. Chef's going to go ahead and cut up some fresh fruit. Now, Chef doesn't have a banana split bowl. He has kind of this square one he's going to use. So it's a little different, which is why we're going to do things differently. So the first thing he's going to do is put in there some Greek yogurt, plain vanilla Greek yogurt. However, whatever yogurt you like, you can put in there. Now, Chef's going to slide the bananas in each corner, which is why he kind of did it this way, to keep them from moving around. If you think this looks like a parfait, it doesn't. It's still a banana split. We're holding true to that. Next up, Chef just cut the tips off, and he's going to now add some toppings to his banana split. Some beautiful blackberries, some raspberries, and don't forget all the ingredients will be listed down below. And then in the center, he's going to put those nicely fresh cut strawberries. Now instead of peanuts, he's going to add some different crunch, some granola. So he's going to shake a little bit of granola on there. And then that's really it. If you want to add different things, you can. Chef's going to give us a little spoonful here. Oh, it looks delicious. Very simple. You can kind of pick and choose what you want. And there you have it. The healthier, more breakfast style banana split. Not parfait. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope you definitely try this out. It was really healthy, delicious, and very simple to make. So before Thanksgiving next week, have something nice and light. Be safe, everyone. Don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.